So another interesting application sum of cube of binomial. The numbers are 111 whole cube minus 89 whole cube only by using identity. For this you need this formula a plus b the whole cube minus a minus b the whole cube equal to, because the middle sign is negative, like term gets cancelled and unlike terms will come twice. So which is equal to, this is the formula, twice of 3a square b plus b cube. This is a formula. If you add both the identities with plus sign and minus sign, you will get 2 times this value. Okay. So using this 111 the whole cube minus 89 the whole cube, you can write this as 100 plus 11 the whole cube minus 100 minus 11 the whole cube. Correct. Here A is 100 and B is 11. This is A and this is B, which is equal to twice of 3 into a square b plus b cube. What is A? A is 100 and 11 and this is 11. Clear? So which is equal to 2 into 11. Again take the common factor outside. So 100 square is 10,000 into 3, 30,000. Plus if I take 11 outside, 121. 11 square. Clear? Otherwise I will write all the steps. I'll write all the steps. Okay. Twice of 100 square is 100 square. 100 square is 10,000 into 33. 33 10,000 4 zeros plus 1000 cube. 1000 cube is nothing but, sorry, 11 cube is nothing but 121 into 11. This is 1331. So 1331. So twice of, so what is the value? 133,133. So if I multiply by 2, I will get 662,662. If you forget this formula, don't worry, write the formula again in the rough column, cancel the terms, then the final answer you will get this. You can directly write this case. Okay. And very important, use proper calculation. Okay. And you avoid unnecessary calculations. Okay. Thank you.